Okay, read.
Good evening. Today is February the 4th, 2023. Today on my way to our moral classroom, I was looking into the sky and the moon is beautiful. It's nice and round. So it is the Lantern Festival around the corner for the Chinese people, also called Yuan Xiaojie. You have this beautiful roundness, and the Chinese people make those nice sweet, sticky rice, wonderful culture to celebrate this roundness.
정월 제부름 코리안.
So you also sent me this nice video, Mrs. Shim, about the wonderful celebration of the Korean people hold hand and dance in the circle and dressed up so beautiful, So so we actually are, living in a time that in our heart we have quite a lot of hope. I feel a lot of hope for humanity because I think we are being blessed with the most wonderful opportunity of salvation. In the past several days, I've been always coming to the subject of Master Li's teaching. 为什么会有人类? Why mankind comes into being. Now, today's moral class, I think very easily we connect, to this important aspect about, the central theme of salvation for mankind. What is the central theme? How mankind can be saved, right? I will share some of my understandings. So we're gonna start first, going over the Chinese characters and the pronunciations and the writing, and then I will share with everyone my deep thoughts about that. Pause.
그럼?
Yeah, pause.